Warning! Graphic pest control video ahead. Do not watch if you might be offended. If, however, you really like pest control videos, then sit back and watch us as we control pest populations with silenced air rifles here in the UK. It's finally my turn to get out and about around our favourite poultry farm. I'm shooting off sticks, so that seems to be our new method. Seems to be better than sitting down and staking an area out. Much more efficient looking over the hedges and spotting eyes in the bushes and the weeds. That sounded like an impact there. The weeds are that long. Can't really see what went on. If I hit him in the head, he'd be dead. There's a few moving around, as you can tell. Difficult to get on them when they run back in the weeds. You have to catch them out in the open. They seem to be a bit more skittish these days, because we have been giving them a fair hiding lately. I like to sit in the weeds. The IR glowing off the eye there. Not even sure if I hit that one either. This is a rabbit in the fog. Caught him a nice shot there. 177 pellet doing the business. B.S.A super mag. No movement whatsoever from that one. Happy with that shot. And there he is with the super tin BBK. I spotted this rat, put a ring round him for you. Didn't have a chance to turn the IR down. I was getting ready to take the shot. This is the position of the holdover, 1 mil dot, because he's so close. The pellet's still climbing to 0. So I took a guess at 1 mil dot. The shot's good. It's more like it. I hadn't seen that many. I was quite keen to get the shot off. But he's dead. Happy with that one. Some are more obvious than others. And down he goes, no problem. I could have cut this video here and edited this out. But take a second shot. All sorts of acrobatics ensue. So I'm pretty sure I've hit him in the head twice now. I've no idea why it did that. And there he is. Not sure if it was a body shot, that one. But at that point I decided to give him a third one. Even though he'd had 2 shots in the head. It's a superhighway. They seem to move around in little groups these days. The door in the way. You have to wait till the one sticks his head out. And there's a shot. Crosshair just behind the back of his jaw into his neck. And he's dropped down in that crater there, where the bird seemed to have dug out. They all start panicking and running for cover. They become quite nervous down here. I think Bro might have something to do with that. I was contemplating one through the bars there, but no chance really. Not enough room. Turn the camera back on just to catch a few more moving about. And go down the side of the shed. Again, they're not presenting very good shots. The undergrowth's far too dense. Need one to sit up. Here's another one. I misfired on that one. Pulled the trigger too soon. This is one of the half-grown ones. It might be having a lick at its mate down in that crater. I was too slow there. That's more like it. Good body shot. You can see the pellet go straight through, hit the board behind. I've caught the wire there, as you can tell by the ping. And again, the fog's making it really difficult to see the wires. It's patchy. causing me lots of problems. See this big one here, and bullying the little one, and I really hate bullies. That's more like it. How does it feel to be bullied back? Probably one of the bigger rats I've shot lately. Not the Olympic standard of rat we used to get. Don't seem to get to grow very big around here anymore for some reason. I'm pretty sure I've missed that one. I think I'm going to clip the wire yet again. Just checking the duck still sat there. Since the fog's come down, they all seem to sat down for some reason. They're running around the hedges a lot. As you can see, it's difficult to make out because of the haze of the fog. You can see the helicopter tail. I'm pretty sure the shot's good. That's one of the best things about IR. It gleams back off the eye, and even if you can't make out what the creature is, you can definitely see something's there. So I'm tracking this one now. It is definitely a rat. Looks like a rat on a mission to me. It's foraging or something. Sniffing around there. I split the difference and quartering towards me, aimed at the side of his head. So if he does move, you'll catch the head or you'll catch the body. Same with this one. If they move around a lot, on a quartering towards me shot, I aimed at the side of their cheek, just in case they move their head. If they move their head, the body stays there, and you get a body shot. Of course, you can't beat a good old-fashioned headshot, or a good old-fashioned helicopter tail. I'll fidget on the sticks there. And no more movement. This is pretty obvious. It's got a decent sized rat there. You see it rolled in the crater. Good edge shot. And its mate's taking a sharp exit to the right. There we go, another nosy one. You see the pellet there, just the side of its eye, just about to hit it. A nice pop as it makes contact. There's no doubt the shot was good. It's gone behind the board and I can't see him. It's managed to kick back into view now. I'll give it a second shot, just for good measure. Quite tough little creatures. But it's toes up time for this one. So I leave the superhighway and go for a short walk. When I come back, there's one feeding on the chicken food, directly above it. I've shot them here before. We don't normally see them here that often. And that's what we're here to do. Prevent them eating the food. And that one surely won't be doing it again. They quite happily defecate all over it. I do believe they've got no bladder. So wherever they go, they drip urine everywhere. These charming little creatures. I'm not sure what negative health benefits it has for the chickens, or the ducks for that matter. I'm pretty sure that can't be very good at all. There's some more death wish ducks. More rats running around. This one's quite a shy fella. It's more like it. Nice headshot there. Just kick around in that bush. The duck's having a mess about there. And they'll all come out. Don't need to explain that one, it's pretty self-evident. Spotted him wandering around in the cage. Now he's having a roll around. I spotted a lot of this activity, dashing out, grabbing some food and legging it out of sight again. I think that could be down to the pressure we've put on them. There's another one. Very skittish. So I've moved position now, I've gone to the right about 10 feet. I'm looking at the bushes, and you can see another one run out from it. That's where they're going back in to feed. I'm looking for an eye. Give me a clue where to shoot. It's more like it. Sound says it all. Good contact there. And he's dead in the bushes. You see more eyes. Let's pop this one out in another pen. Another acrobatic one. Rather bizarre. And that's where he stopped. Give him a second shot just for good measure. I'm pretty sure the first one was good looking at it. There's plenty more of them running around. And there's a shot. A skittish rat quartering towards me. Shoot in the side of his head just in case he moves. Body shot's good. Yet more eyes in the bushes. I roll that one over. You can see the helicopter tail. I'm happy with that. Have a second look. A tempting target there. I caught him clean. You see more running around in the background. I can't see where his head is to take the shot. It's more like it. Nice stationary rat. Easy headshot. A quick scan about. That one's not moved at all. There we go. A little wave. I'm pretty sure the shot's good. No back leg kicking this time. There's another one. Quartering towards me. But because he was so still, I head more towards the skull. And get the right angle. The 177 pellets seem to go quite a way in. Very often get exit wounds. Pellet crosses heart, lung and area. There we go. Another nosy one in the background. I knock him over nice. Yet another one. That's virtually the same spot as the last one. There's a few rat holes in this area. Maybe come out after I shot the last one, I don't know. Those last two were quite close together. I managed to get the pellet to go through the wires this time. Catch that one nice. There he is having a kick about. Pretty sure the shot's good. That's all the ones I retrieved. Not a bad night. There's a bonfire above ready for incineration. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.